My name is Brandy Patterson, and I am from Lafayette, Tennessee. I sought treatment from OMSNashville when I needed a full mouth restoration for a massive amount of infection. I had a lot of physical discomfort before my procedure. I had a lot of infection in the bones of my face and from my teeth that were very uncomfortable for me. My interaction with the staff was phenomenal. They all made me feel very at home and very comfortable and relaxed about the procedures that I was going to have. The physicians at OMSNashville made me feel so comfortable and reassured about the amount of procedure that I was going to have done for my full mouth restoration. I really felt like I was at home and that I would be very well taken care of, and I was. After my procedure, I was able to eat what I wanted. I did not have any pain, and most importantly, the infection that was affecting the rest of my body near my heart was gone. I love my smile now. I'm so happy. I feel like I have the movie star smile that I always wanted. I love OMSNashville, and I will definitely be recommending them to my friends and my family. When my children need their oral surgeries, we're definitely coming to OMSNashville.